Hello, my name is Pauline Pants Down. Hey, hang on a minute. Who wrote this shit? Must have been one of them little boat people, stealing jobs right under my bloody nose now. Fuck this shit, freaking stupid fucking D in bat. Now, as I was saying. Pauline Lee Hanson, born the 27th of May 1954, I was an Australian politician and former leader of my own party. Pauline Hanson's One Nation, we are all for multiculturalism. No, I mean anti-multiculturalism. This is fucking bullshit, mate. If someone can't write a card for dummies, fuck. I mean dummy cards. Well, I'll fucking move to the UK for bloody good, mate. At least they might see me for the genius that I am. Did yes know I was one of the most influential Australians of all time. Fucking seriously the best ever. Speak to you next time. See you.